Good evening, everybody. Market up or down? The market is down. You see it right here. And all right, first things first, check brokerage out. We've got nothing going on, but as you can see, even on a market down day, some of our stocks still went positive, which is nice. We still have a ton of cash. So what's the next step on the trading plan? Reverse snowball, correct? So we got to go through them. Start with the ones we got. TGNA. We're looking for stocks to be under the 30 RSI. This one is at a 27. You can see the number right over here. And we got the little D coming up, so I like it. 1353. Buy it cheaper and get more of it. I like that spread. All right. Let's go back to the brokerage, put the order in. Got to cancel this one first. We do have our 3-day trades left. That's something you always want to keep in consideration. So we'll do first, triggers the second, and we'll put a 2-way order in here. So we have one share at 1353. Good till cancel with extended hours, always a limit order. Now let's figure out our sell price. So if you add these two together, divide by 2, that'll get you your average. But it's also right here. Take that number times 1.01, and that is how I get my sell targets. So pause the video. Please do the math for yourself. I'm going to go ahead and put this order in. Hey, oh. If we could sell 100, that would be cool. I got 2 of them. Okay. The next one on the list is CRK. Nothing doing. Looks like it's setting up for a swing trade. And finally, NUS, which has been in the toilet for quite some time. Yep, still in the toilet. 1238 NUS. Remember, we try to keep our position size to 1% of the account. So that's what's keeping us just doing one share here. And on this position, it really has saved our ass. So what is the problem here? A little burnt today, so trying to keep it together right through the NDOs. First triggers the second. Trying to buy one. $12.38 is what we got. And we're trying to sell 10 of them. Add these up, divide by 10. That will get you your average. Take that number times 1.01. And that's the sell target I like. Please pause the video, but do it for yourself. Do. But I'll put the order in. We do a little big picture here. Check us out. We only got to take a 0 off, I think. Limit orders always good till cancel with the extended hours. That's that. All right. So if you see 1939 is our sell, look how beautiful that is because we started buying it at 26 almost. We brought the average all the way down $6. That's pretty impressive. So math is a huge edge against the market. The only thing that allows you to have the edge of math is the fact that the position size is small. So just understand if you want to do a larger position size, you will not have as great of an advantage of math for this strategy. So market was down. We did the snowball. Step 3. What's next? Look at your trading plan. Is it written down? Is it next to you? Screen it right. We still got all the money, so don't. This is not the point where you're like, well, I bought a few. I think we'll just spread it out a little bit. You know, that is the poor people mentality, and that will keep you forever poor. Them's is facts. All right. Well, we're limiting the list pretty quick. Next file. Here. All right. I think that's correct. So let's go through these. TGNA we already bought today, right? So we're good there. And we'll just start at the top. First things, I'll go through and find things through that are in my universe. Humana is a name, but it is not in my universe. Okay. We'll start here with some real estate. Remember with REITs, you cannot judge debt the same way as you do a regular company. Debt is still risk, even to a REIT, but it's not the same. So as we want to check out EFC, let's do a little dive here. And what we really want to see is the price appreciation over long periods of time. Can it hold its value? I just don't want to. So this was a year ago. It's about the same price as it was a year ago. And then it's same price from a couple years ago. Let's go to the monthly. So yeah, I don't want to buy nothing that looks like this. So if y'all buy this, God bless you. Good luck to you. But no, I'm not trying to buy nothing that looks like this. Not for the whole time the fund's been available. Now, understand that people that bought here have probably made money because the distributions are so high. They're kicking out 15%. So part of that is a loss of like a value erosion, and part of it actually is the rent from the REIT. Humana. Next. All right. So our goal is try to get something around 15 PE. So we have 17, we'll call it 18 and 14. What's that? 32. It's too high. Hurts my heart too because if we could get a score on this, that would hit our monthly goal, but it's too high PE wise. If you want to take this, by all means, good luck to you. That's not what we're doing here, but everything else looks fine. Everybody knows Humana. But even a good investment or a good company can be a bad investment if you spend too much getting in. All right. No debt for Sirius. Dividends actually creep just because it's down so much, it looks like. Good PEs. Pretty solid here. That's it, 443. And oh my goodness, this is the first time we get to do some math. Check us out. So our account value is $1,000 bucks. So if we want to keep our position size to 1% of $1,000 bucks, that's $10, right? So if the share price is only 4.5, boy, we can get two of them, right? That's what we're going to do. 443. So that would be 886 for two of them, right? You follow? Say lead follower, get the hell out of the way. So if we look back to our monitor here, we only have, okay, we have two round trip orders. We have one left. This will be a round trip order as well. Always want to make sure that you keep your day trades under wraps because you could have had an opportunity to flip some money quick and you get tied up. First trigger is a second. And as we've shown with the math, we're keeping our percentage to 1% of the account, which allows us to buy 2 shares, which is nice. And we'll take the 443 times 1.01 to get the sell price. So please figure that out for yourself. I'll give you a few seconds. We always want limit orders. Good till cancel with extended hours. Bam, that's it. There you go, 443 filled. So the sell could fill too just as easy. 1% is not big on a $4 stock. They move. But that's got what we got for today. We're starting to get some action, you know, for a little big picture. Just know that we're near the top, but just because of the 70 RSIs and all the other signals, divergence, all the other stuff, the market doesn't have to go down from here. So just know that it can go either way. All right. Hopefully I had the right ticker. There you go. Much better. But yeah, just because we're all the way extended up here doesn't mean the market has to go down. But I'm still holding the short as a hedge, so I'm good either way. And even though it's pretty close to the top, it's not really the top. So there is a strategy too that has all the moving averages in line. We break the 5 and it shoots up. And you can see that has worked before, right? And again, right? And again, right? And again, right? So just be prepared either way. That's why it's best, in my opinion, to have a system that takes your emotion and your opinion out of it, and you just follow it based on the numbers. And when there is opportunity, I execute. So hopefully it's helpful to you. And if you're curious for the main account, I'll see you there. Coming up next.